Hi viewers, welcome to a world of enchantment. In this captivating video, we shall explore the transformative power of garden lighting and uncover a treasure trove of ideas to illuminate your outdoor space. From twinkling fairy lights to dramatic spotlights and soothing lanterns, get ready to discover how lightning can turn your garden into a mesmerizing wonderland. Let's embark on this illuminating journey together. Number 1. Setting the mood with garden lighting. Garden lighting is not just about functionality, it's about creating an atmosphere that captivates and delights. Learn how to set the mood in your outdoor space with strategically placing lighting fixtures. Discover the magic of soft warm lights for a cozy and intimate ambience, or embrace the drama of bold, bright lights for a more dynamic and energetic setting. Find the perfect balance to reflect your desired garden atmosphere. Number 2. Highlighting focal points. Draw attention to the unique features of your garden by highlighting them with focused lighting. Whether it's an elegant fountain, a majestic tree, or a stunning sculpture, use spotlights or uplights to create a dramatic effect. Experiment with different angles and intensities to achieve the desired visual impact. Let your garden's focal point become the star of the night and leave your guests in awe. Number 3. Creating pathways and walkways. Guide your guests through your garden with beautifully lit pathways and walkways. Explore the charm of pathway lights, which not only provide a practical function but also a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Discover various lighting options such as solar powered lights, LED strips, or lanterns to create a safe and inviting passage. Let the soft glow lead the way and create a magical journey through your garden. Number 4. Magical accent and creative ideas. Unleash your creativity with magical accents and creative lighting ideas. Explore the beauty of fairy lights draped along fences or wrapped around these tree branches, creating a whimsical and ethereal atmosphere. Consider the allure of lanterns, whether hanging or placed strategically on tables, offering a warm and inviting glow. Embrace the play of light and shadow by incorporating stubble backlighting or silhouette lighting for a truly captivating effect. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have delved into the enchanting world of garden lighting and discovered a myriad of ideas to transform your outdoor space into a magical wonderland. By setting the mood, highlighting focal points, creating inviting pathways, and embracing creative accents, you shall create an ambience that will make your garden come alive after the sun sets. Get ready to illuminate your garden and let its beauty shine bright. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share your garden lighting experience in comment section below. Happy gardening!